Good morning, dear students. So, I have started with the method of moving averages. I have solved 3 yearly moving average, 5 yearly moving average, and today we are going to learn 4 yearly moving average. Okay, so 3 yearly and 5 yearly little bit same, but 4 year 4 is even number, whereas 3 and 5 are odd number. So, how to solve 4 yearly moving average? Just concentrate and see. Okay. Now, here compute 4 yearly moving averages for the following data. Here is given from 2000 to 2009, whereas sales is also given. Now, 4 yearly moving totals. Okay, how you have to do? See, 4 yearly moving totals. Okay, this one column again. Now, see here. Now, 4 yearly moving total. So, first year how to do? 4 yearly means 1, 2, 3, 4. Total of these 4. Okay. So, 75 plus 60 plus 55 plus 60. So, total is 250. Okay. Total of these 4 is 250. And middle will come here, right? On the line it will come 250. Okay. So, here dash will come. Okay. Middle of it is even number. Okay. So, how to solve? 4 yearly means middle here it will come. 2.5, 2.5. Okay, on the line. Now, leave this now. You have to leave now. First one. Next 4 years means from 60 to 65. This 4. Next 4 total. 60 plus 55 plus 60 plus 65. So, total of this 4 is 240. Now, here in this, the middle one is this. So, on the line, how much it will come? 240. Okay, it is coming on the line. Now, leave this now. Okay, come forward now. Come to 55 to 70. Okay, leave one. Come step, next step forward. 55 plus 60 plus 65 plus 70 is 250 again. Okay, middle of this is here. Now it is coming on the line only. Next. Now leave this 55. Start from 60, 65, 70 and 70. Okay. So total of this 4 is 265. 265. Okay. Understanding? Okay. Now leave this again. Next item and here also next. Next 4. 65 plus 70 plus 70 plus 75. So total of this is 280. Okay. Now leave this now. One step forward again. Okay. 70 plus 70, 75 plus 85. So total of this 4 is 300. Okay. Now leave this 70. Come to next 70 and here till last 70. So 70 plus 75 plus 85 plus 70. So total of this is again 300. Okay. Now if you leave this one, the how many items are remaining? 1, 2, 3. So it is 4 yearly. So next 3 it will not come. So again dash here. Okay. So this is 4 yearly moving total. After this, after 4 yearly, the next item is 2 yearly moving total. Yes, 2 yearly moving total. When it is 4 yearly moving total, then 2 yearly moving total. Okay, means 2 we are going to see here. Okay, now here 2 means first 2. Okay, these two. 250 plus 240. So middle will come here. Okay, so first two will be dash out. Okay, then 250 plus 240 is 490. Okay, now leave this. Next two, 240, 250, again 490. Okay, 250, 265, 550. 265, 280 is 545. 280, 300 is 580. Next, 300 is 6. So 2 yearly. After 4 year moving averages, it is 2 yearly moving total. Means now it has come online, start from 2002 and till 2007. Okay. First 4 yearly moving total will come. It will come online. So while drawing the graph, again it will be problem. So again 2 yearly moving total we have to do. And last we have to find trend value. It is nothing but average. What we do 4 yearly moving average. It is nothing but trend value. Now, if it is 3 yearly, you have done divided by 3. If it is 5 yearly, you have done divided by this figure divided by 5. Now, we have done here 4 yearly and 2 yearly. So, what will do? 4 or 2? So, here you have to divide it by 8. How 8? First 4 into 2. 4, 2. 4 2 is 8. So here in 4 yearly moving averages, the trend values are found by dividing by 8. Okay. So see here 490, first here dash only. Yes, 490 divided by 8 is 61.25. Next 490 divided by 8 again 61.25. 515 divided by 8 is 64.38. 545 divided by 8 is 68.13. 580 divided by 8 is 72.5. 600 divided by 8 is round figure 75. So here you got trend values. Now how to draw the graph is. Okay, here I'll draw the graph. Start from 2000 to 2009. Okay, so here it will come here. Next, this one. Now see here, minimum value is 55 and maximum 85. Okay, so what you do? We start from 50, 55 like this you do. Okay, till 85. 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. Okay. Now, here first this values you have to take. Okay. Then last one trend values. This is histogram and this is trend time you get here. Yes. In 2000 it is 75. 2075. Right. Next, 2001 it is 60. 2002 it is 55. Then 2003 60. 2004 65. 2005 70. Then 2006 again 70. 75, 2008, 85. Okay, and last 2009 is 17. So here we got histogram. Now join the points. Start from here down. Next here. Okay, so this is histogram. Okay, now next one, trend line we have to draw by using trend value. This one, it will start in the year 2002. 2002, 61.25, 61.25, right? 2003, 61.25 in same. 2004, 64.38, 64.38. Yes. 2005, 68.13. Next. 2006, 72.5. Next. 2008, 75 exactly. Those 61.25. 6. 2007, 75. Yes. Now join it. So this one is called as trend. Okay. So like this you have to draw the graph. Now graph will be same for all 3 yearly, 5 yearly or 4 yearly. But here 3 year and 5 year this calculation is same. But 4 year again extra colors needed. First 4 yearly moving total, then 2 yearly moving total because to get into a center. Okay. So then divided by 8. Why? Because 4 into 2 is divided by 8 you have to do trend values. Okay. Hope you understood this problem. 4 yearly moving average. Now one more problem I will take for you. So this is the last problem of moving averages. Now I will give practice problems of 3 yearly, 5 yearly and 4 yearly. If you have any doubts you have to ask, I will solve if you have not understood. Okay. Now one more problem I will solve. Same 2000 to 2009. Here next is value. Instead of sales, value is there. Okay, one more problem I am solving 4 yearly because it is little bit different. Okay. Now 4 yearly moving total. Yes, 4 yearly moving total you have to do. 4 you have to make total. 1 leave, next one. 1 leave, next. You have to do like this. Okay? Yes. First 4. 12 plus 25 plus 39 plus 54 is 130. At the center, this 4 center is this one. So it will come on line. Okay, 130. Next, leave this first one. Start from second, third, fourth, fifth. 25 plus 39 plus 54 plus 70 is 188. Now leave this from next. One more add. 39 plus 54 plus 70 plus 87 is 250. Okay. Next, leave this one. 54 plus 70 plus 87 plus 105. 566. Leave this. 70 plus 87 plus 105 plus 100. 678. Yes. Now leave this 70. 87 plus 105 plus 100 plus 82. So total of this 4 is 736. Now leave this. Next 1, 2, 3, 4. 105, 100 plus 82 plus 65 is 726. Now leave this. Now how many? Only 3 are remaining. So it is 4 yearly, put dash. Okay. Now 2 yearly moving total. To make in a center 2 yearly moving total value. Okay. First 2 dash, here 2 dash. Okay. Yes. 2 yearly means 2 only have to take. 130 plus. So center will come on here in this box. Okay. So 130 plus 180 is 318. 188 plus 250 is 438. Leave this. Next. 250 plus 566 is 566. Leave this. Come next. 566 plus 678. 670. So here a little bit some wrong. 130, 188, 250, 206, 316, 362. Here wrong has become totally. 316, 362, 374, and next one is 350. Okay, now make the total. 316 plus 362 is 678. 362 plus 374, 736. Last 374 plus 352 is 726. And last one, trend value you have to find by dividing this column to yearly moving total divided by 8. This row, this column divided by 8. 318 divided by 8 is 39.75. 438 divided by 8 is 54.75. 566 divided by 8, 70.75. 678 divided by 8, 84.75. Okay, 726 divided by 8 is 92, and 726 divided by 8 is 90.75. Okay, so this is the problem. Okay, you will solve the graph. Okay, as homework. Okay, homework is to solve the graph of this problem. Okay, take this year, then value you have to plot. Okay, then trend values you have to plot, and you have to tell whether it is increasing or decreasing. Last problem I have not told. Okay, so the data given show upward trend you have to write. Last problem. Now here 39, 54, 74. It is increasing. So the data given is upward trend or increasing trend here also in this problem. Okay, write the conclusion for these two problems. Okay, so this completes your moving average, third method of secular trend. Okay, the next class I will start with fourth measurement of secular trend, that is least square method. That is also very important. Okay, and one question will arise from the least square method. Okay, thank you.